All right, what's up, people? Oh shit! It's the magical unboxing. It's the magical unboxing. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have to get to work on this motherfucking shit. Hold on. We're gonna have to get to work on this motherfucking shit right here. We're gonna have to get to work slicing this motherfucking shit open. Magical. Oh Lord Jesus! I gotta slice the sides on this bitch. Let's do it. That's international, right? Let's do it. International, motherfucker. This came from jolly old England. I wonder what it could be. Oh, Lord Jesus. I'm going to have to step on it. I need to step on this motherfucking bullshit. Come on, this is an unboxing for real. Oh, Lord Jesus. I'm going to stab this motherfucker again. Let's go, nigga. God damn, man. You making me cut a motherfucker. I don't. Shit. I don't even know where the fuck I'm at. What planet am I on? Oh, fuck yes. Fuck yes. I think everybody knows what the fuck this is. From jolly old England. Look, they got all the bubble wraps. Let's going overseas, nigga. All right, let's get it going. Let's go ahead, get it going. We unboxing right now, motherfucker. Shit. You know, I ain't got nobody fucking doing this for me. Oh, yes. You're like, wait a minute. You're like, wait a minute. Should I even do it? Should I even do it? 100%. Well, they got the soft tape on this one. They got the soft tape on this one. Oh, Lord Jesus Christ. You see what I'm saying? Yes, sir, buddy. There it is. There the fuck it is. Oh, Lord Jesus Christ. This ain't even funny. Oh, this is an ad for the shop. There it is. Oh, that's a booger. That booger ain't coming off. That's all right. Every book has boogers. There it is, buddy. You know what I'm saying? I don't play. I do not play. Fuck, I'm hard as shit right now. I'm getting ready to bust a nut. I know it's like you're like, oh, there's fingerprints on it. This is a used copy, man. You know how hard these things are to come by. That's it right there. That's motherfucking shit, Lord Jesus Christ. I'm getting ready to nut in my pants right now. I'm getting ready to nut in my pants. You understand what I'm saying? I'm getting ready to, I'm fucking shaking. Like, I'm like, God damn it, really? For real? For real, for real. I told y'all niggas I was not playing, bro. I told y'all niggas I was not fucking playing. It is in my hands as we speak. And there's a lot of bubble wrap I'm going to have to clean up. I've been doing a lot of that lately, as we can see. I don't know if anybody saw this. I bought 3 more from my wife for a total of 6. I got her 3, like, okay, so you can, and you know what the fucked up thing is? I always tell people when they're like, hey, man, what should I do for my girl on Valentine's Day? I'm like, I hate AndrewSinger.com. You get these. It's a gold dipped rose. Each one is going to cost you about, I'd say $85 to $90. It depends on the color you get. So I just topped her off with like 3 more golds. And then she's got 2 reds. And then her favorite thing is what's called the blue water. Perfect. Chessboard, perfect. Shut the fuck up, perfect. The Azoetia. On Planet 9, nigga. Come on now. Look at this. You didn't even know the fucking shit was like that, did you? And trust me, when I get my fucking Necronomicon, it's going to be an unboxing on that one as well, motherfucker. Shit. I can't make this shit up. Can you? Show me your copy. I'm kidding. We all can't be Jason King. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is.